Hello and welcome to my channel. I am the Scottish fairy and started my channel to create ambient calm vlogs with relaxing music and content. I live in the east of central Scotland, which is my chosen home. I wasn't born in Scotland, but Scotland was born in me, as I like to say. My videos are nature-based and I often visit historical places around me or further afield. I also show my plant-based recipes of bread baking, cakes, jam making and all things cooking. As a very creative mind, I also knit and felt like to decorate our lovely seaside cottage and being in my garden. My time is never enough for all my ideas. "12 years ago, I made my lifelong dream come true by relocating to Scotland. I was a single mother at the time, and my then 10-year-old son is now grown up and at university. We both love our chosen home, her beauty, her enchanting nature, the seaside and mountains, and her kind and welcoming people. I became a content creator by accident, as I started my videos rather for myself when I was in a dire situation and tried to use my creativity as a healing tool. In the process, something magical happened, and I found a wonderful community of kindred spirits which has grown over time. Everything you see on my channel is created by myself, from camera to the cutting process, recording the voiceover or editing. When I film with my husband, he's my assistant, or rather pack horse, but as a hobby photographer himself, he's following his own creative process when we are out and about. If you are interested in his work, please follow the link in my channel description. His photos are all taken in Scotland. I live a slow and simple life, which is in no way boring or uneventful. I simply choose what to do with my time whenever I can and not rush through my life as I have done when I was a single mother. On my channel, I talk about my mental health issues, friends, forgiving, growing, kindness, motherhood, and so much more. Over time, a lovely community grew on this channel, and if you'd like to be part of this, welcome, and please do subscribe to the channel. I hope you enjoy my content and look at my past videos to relax, maybe learn something, and hopefully find what you are looking for. I'm sending you lots of love from Scotland. Tapath.